Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the MASTFUYI rechargeable thermal imaging camera, a powerful handheld infrared imager designed for precision, durability, and versatility. If you need a reliable tool for temperature detection and fault diagnosis, this device is an excellent choice. The MASTFUYI thermal imager offers a wide temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from electrical inspections to HVAC maintenance and even underfloor heating detection. It can simultaneously detect temperatures at 57,600 points, providing accurate and detailed thermal images. This device features a 240 by 240 pixel resolution with a 25 Hz frame rate, delivering smooth and clear thermal imaging. It also includes automatic tracking of high, low, and center temperatures, displaying real-time values on the screen. You can even set temperature alarms for high or low thresholds, so you never miss a critical reading. The camera supports 15 color palettes, adjustable emissivity, and measuring distance for different surfaces. It also comes with a built-in 4 GB memory card, capable of storing up to 30,000 images in BMP format, which can be easily transferred to a computer for analysis. Durability is another strong point. The MASTFUYI thermal imager is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant, making it ideal for tough working environments. It also supports 7 languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, and Chinese. In summary, the MASTFUYI rechargeable thermal imaging camera combines accuracy, durability, and advanced features in a compact design. Whether you are an electrician, a maintenance technician, or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will help you detect problems quickly and efficiently. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching.